we're gonna try this out.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna give a little, I guess, commentary as you guys are watching this video. Not too much. I don't want to talk too much about it, but I did kind of want to give you guys my thoughts and stuff as I was out here driving this buggy in this particular environment. So, if I sound a little bit congested, I was out here all day. I'm driving this and several other cars as well, so I was actually sucking in all this dust and stuff that was flying. That's why I was wearing the mask. But this was about my 5th or 6th pack, I believe, running it straight through. Well, not back to back, but just kind of running it straight through. And you guys see that it's jumping there, and it jumps really well. I did have my V5, and I was running that the other day. This is Saturday, so I did run it Friday, and I ended up breaking something on my V5, or something came loose. I can't remember what it was. I got to figure out what it was. Something happened with the speed controller, but it didn't jump as well as this, so I know that this does jump and kind of soar through the air. You guys see it there. It does handle a lot better with that, and it is more controllable in the air as well. You guys see some nose dives and stuff there with it. Now I am running the Spectrum Firma ESC, and I believe I put an ARRMA BLX 2050 motor in here, running it on 6S with, I believe it was a 15.2P. So you guys see little crashes and stuff there. That was kind of happening kind of throughout the day and stuff like that. And actually, towards the end, somebody actually landed on top of my car, like literally crushed the body. And then one of the screws came out, so it didn't break. So I did, right before this run, I did break one of the shock rod ends on it. So I did break that on the right-hand side. But we had another one, I just replaced it, put that in there. So running it like this for 5 or 6 packs, and that's the only thing that happened, I think is good, because it's not really designed too much to be an all-out basher. It's more designed to kind of do some mild bashing and racing and stuff. Trying to flex at me and somebody trying to do some mid-air collision.
Oh, we missed it. Coming back? Yeah. All right, I'm ready when you are. Oh, hold on.
I'm going through. Now these were the biggest jumps for the bass track, and I did run it on the figure 8 just for a little bit.
It's gonna be hard.
I wish I had got that footage, but I was running with several other people, and people were kind of talking to me a lot, so I didn't really get to film that footage, but somebody else was filming this, so my driving was okay. Today I was running cars back to back, like I said, and I ran a couple of my truggies, a couple of my big trucks and stuff as well. I was just kind of trying to get out and enjoy myself as well. And this is completely stock out the box, no tune or anything done to it yet, so you guys see how smooth that runs. Kind of over jumping it there as well, but I wanted to see how this is gonna handle jumping and running back to back like I was right there. Kind of showing out a little bit too. You guys know how that is.
Something's clicking.
See, consistent jumps, consistent. Kind of a hard. Bam! See right there. And you guys will see it crushed my body. And then on the passenger side, the screw just actually came out, so it didn't break. You guys see as it kind of looks out.
Broke. Screw just came out. Yep,
right there. So the screw just kind of came loose.
All right, we'll be back in a minute. So.
All right, so that was some running, and that's how I ran this buggy for, I think it was about 5 or 6 packs. Now I did try different packs in there as well. I did have different weight packs and stuff like that as well with it. So I am going to have a lot more videos of this coming up, running in different terrains and stuff like that, and then take it to my local track when I get back to Georgia and do a couple of laps there as well. But I did want to at least show this footage to you guys, tell you my thoughts so far on running it. I do recommend you put some Loctites on some of those steering components that did kind of work its way loose. Probably just kind of driving it back and forth. And what I'm going to do is when I get some different electronics, I'll go ahead and do kind of a build video on that and get some different tires and wheels as well. And then we'll take this to a track and get this running there as well. So you guys put your comments down below of some stuff that you want to see. I'm not taking this to a skate park or anything, so don't expect that. That's what I got my V5 for. But I will take this out and run this in different areas and stuff so that you guys can see how this runs out there. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, put your comments down below, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.